But Dana, as we were saying earlier, not a lot more snow in our immediate future, kind of a quiet day in the weather department.
I know, it's a bit of a quiet stretch in the weather department. We have no big storms coming up in this forecast. We have a little snow to talk about for northern and eastern Maine as we come into Thursday, but really not a whole lot to talk about. And as temperatures rise over the next couple of days, we'll start to lose the snow that we have too. So today ended up being a little bit on the chilly side out there, but it was pretty sunny, especially late in the afternoon. Now this time of year, the sun doesn't make it feel a lot warmer out there, but it's still nice to see. Also pretty interesting how the cloud cover stayed almost exclusively in New Hampshire throughout the day. So we here in Maine got to enjoy a very sunny day. Now it's going to be very chilly overnight tonight as well. I've lowered these temperatures a couple times during the day today because with our fresh snowpack and the lack of cloud cover overnight tonight, our temperatures are going to be able to drop very low in northern and eastern Maine down into the negatives and right along the coastline in the single digits. So overall, another very chilly night, but over the next couple of days, our temperatures are going to start to moderate just a little bit, and we'll get a little bit closer to average. Let's see if the graphics want to go to the next one. There we go. So as we get into the day tomorrow, it is going to be a bit of a cloudier day when in comparison today, but overall still pretty good. High pressure is going to be in control over the next couple of days. So we don't have much precipitation to worry about until we get late in the day on Thursday. So I'll say we'll start out Wednesday, a little bit chilly out there. Now I think northern Maine and the immediate coastline is going to hold on to the cloud cover a little bit more. So that's where I would say it's going to be mostly cloudy throughout the day. But the down east coastline and the interior is going to get a bit more sunshine throughout the late afternoon. Now all of us are going to build in on the cloud cover as we get early into the day on Thursday. And that's ahead of a clipper system that we're watching. That's going to bring just a little bit of snow to northern and eastern Maine. Overall, just looking like some pretty light snow showers, really not much snow at all. I would say maybe an inch to a couple of inches up in Aroostook County, but otherwise for a lot of us, it's not going to really be a huge deal. And I think most of us are going to see snow showers throughout the day on Thursday in those areas with the exception of the immediate down east coastline where it's going to be warm enough for those to be rain showers. So we're watching this system because it's a clipper system, so it comes down from Canada and it's going to intensify right after it gets offshore. So we're going to watch this over the next couple of days to see if it intensifies a little bit sooner, meaning we would get a little bit more snow here in Maine. But right now I would say northern and eastern Maine only really just a couple of inches. So not too much going on in the next couple of days in terms of that forecast. Now our temperatures are going to moderate, especially as we get into the second half of the week. I would say Thursday is probably our best chance along the coastline to get into the 40s. So that also means that our snowpack is going to start to melt over the next couple of days as well. So a pretty quiet forecast coming up. Seas 2 to 5 feet. We do have winds gusting to 20 knots. So we've got that small craft advisory in effect until tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. So like I said, it's a pretty quiet stretch coming up. We had a little bit of that cold snap tonight and over the next couple of days. It's really going to really warm up. And then the next chance of precipitation is going to be Thursday into Friday. Really just some light snow, mostly in northern and eastern Maine. It's going to get chilly again for the weekend though, and we're going to hang on to that cloud cover a little bit as well. It looks like we're going to hold on to that chilliness as we head into the beginning of next week, Zach. But overall, it's a pretty quiet forecast, really kind of in contrast to last week where we had one storm after another. It's nice to be a little quiet.
Yeah, I think we deserved it. Thanks, Tina.